All right, so it is painted. Electrical outlets are back on. Holy mackerel, does that pop off the wall? Let me spin this around real quick. They are done painting. They're gonna move the stuff out tomorrow. The floor has been, I think he said acid washed. So they're gonna come in tomorrow, or at least by Friday. This floor will be epoxied and gray and black flaked. And then probably the most exciting thing for a nerd like me is there is the internets coming in, plugged in, ready to go on a shelf. Just the office, not with the house, single drop, high speed, baby. So once the floor's in, I'll start to put desks in. I'll probably do some videos around that as well. Super trying to figure out how I want to set this bad boy up, but we're getting there.